If you're experiencing clock-in errors on TSheets, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with clocking in or out. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the TSheets app. Check for updates in your device's app store and install any available updates. Step 3. Clear cache and data. For mobile devices, go to your settings and clear the cache and data for the TSheets app. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted data. Step 4. Verify location settings. Ensure that location services are enabled for the TSheets app. The app may require your location to allow clocking in, especially if geofencing is set up. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to TSheets support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix clock-in errors on TSheets efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.